Let's take a look at these two limits here. The first one here, when we have x approaching 2 from the left, that means x is very close to 2, but to the left of 2, right? A number that x could be maybe would be 1.99 or 1.9999, etc. If I take a number like that and I subtract 2, I'm going to get a small negative number, right? So this is 1 divided by a small negative number. And when I do 1 divided by a small negative number, I get a large negative number. So right away we can say the answer to this limit. The limit is x goes to 2 from the left of 1 over x minus 2 equals negative infinity. Again, why is that? Because if x is really close to 2, but to the left of 2, when I do x minus 2, I get a small negative number, and 1 over a small negative number is a large negative number, and that means the limit's going to be minus infinity. All right, that takes care of the first one. The second one here is actually not really of the same style, because this is actually an easy kind, right? Back on this original, if I were to put 2 in here, I'd get 2 minus 2, which is 0 in the denominator. And that's a sign when I have not 0 over 0. That's a sign it's going to be maybe minus infinity, plus infinity, or not existing. But right here, when I put 1 in here, it's perfectly defined. This function is continuous there, right? So this one is not at all of the same category as the one we just did. This one's easy, isn't it? Whereas this one, we need to think about it a little bit. So just keep in mind between the differences between these two kind of limits here.